Okay, so last day in Venice. Digan hola.
Hola.
And we were just victims of a gelato fiasco. So, we're gonna go for round 2. But this is Plaza de la República again. And this guy's doing some spray paint
I don't think
art.
it's that awesome.
Yeah.
Film the guys that are on over there.
I can't zoom in. I can't zoom anymore because okay. A lot of street art. Oh, there's a merry-go-round again.
Do you want to leave money?
I don't have money. They're awesome. They're on YouTube. It's the best thing for them.
That is awesome. My mom even likes this song. Oh, it just finished. Real Italian music.
I like Florence. Do you like Florence?
Yeah. It was the best city in Italy.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
But we've only seen
I agree very
two.
much. But if this beats Rome, then this is pretty badass.
Yeah.
Because Rome is like overrated, I guess, or talked about. Okay. Bye, Florence. Stop! I was gonna turn around. Okay, bye. See you in Venice. This was the fiasco. This was gelato fiasco.
Yeah.
We've had much better. Okay, bye.